Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
Hey, I'm Lane Arnett. This is our new collision project, 88 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe.
I'm your tester, goes out first. Yeah, watch me go, keep 'em in fear. Rumble, young man, rumble, brother won't fumble. Rumble, gas get straight, rappers get spanked, stripes get yanked.
So we got this bad boy in. We made sure to strip her down, find the dings and dents, and then we took off the exterior trims, the bumpers, and then we got to work.
Shake and bake.
What up, Sarah? We've got Sarah Anderson here. She's been working on this quarter panel here for us. You were the only one that had a crease on your panel. What went into getting that out?
So in order to get that out, we'll take it all down to bare metal. We used the key welding machine, applied some keys. We were able to take it kind of at an angle and pull from the crease to able to get the metal out and relieve the tension. We used the hammer and dolly, hammer off dolly method, bumped out all the rest of the panel. Once we applied our body filler, we were able to smooth it out, make it even.
Thank you for spending some time with me. We'll see you in the paint booth.
See you. Thank you.
Here we removed the deck lid and the bumper. And then we've got Mark here working vigorously. He's been working right here on this quarter panel. And then as you can see, he's brought it out in nice ways to make sure that blend really pops when we hit it with primer. So what did you do with the quarter specifically?
I used the paint that's already on the car as a guide coat. I used that to decide where I needed to sand down even more, all the way down to the metal. And then after a couple layers of body filler, I went ahead and I put glaze over it just to really seal it. And then we went ahead and we put some sealer over the bare metal, that way it wouldn't rust.
All right, well, thank you. I'll let you get back to work helping me with the bumper there.
All right.
Here's the deal, I'm the best there is, plain and simple.
We're here in the prep deck. We've got Cadence with us. She worked on the trunk lid. What went into that?
Well, we identified some of the low spots and the high spots. We tapped down whatever was high, and then we brought whatever was low up, filled them in. We primed it, and then I had to do a little spot prime, and then it got reprimed again. And that was just waiting for sealer and paint.
Thank you for hanging out with us. We'll see you in the paint booth.
Okay, I'll see you there.
All right, now let's go check on my man Marcus over there with the car. So you've done both fenders and you have done that door as well. What have you been doing to get this nice and flush for race day?
I just put a layer of body filler right here because there was 2 high spots. So then I had to use a small block with 180. Same thing with that fender. The door was kind of harder because there's a body line on the door. So you use like a round block. So I had to take that and I had to curl it, see if it needs more body filler. If it doesn't, then we're good to go.
So you're getting her ready for primer, eh?
I'm gonna run my hand through it one more time and see if it needs, another layer of body filler. If it doesn't, it's ready for primer.
Next steps here are we're gonna take all of these parts and we're gonna prep them here in the prep deck in the paint booth with a nice layer of primer. It's looking good in here. Looking all taped up, ready for some primer?
Yes, sir.
Well, we're here with Mike. He's been working on the fascia of the front bumper. So what's gone into getting this fascia ready for some primer and to get back on the front bumper?
So first off, this fascia was severely cracked. It was a process. I had to get a carbon fiber sheet with the resin and keep layering it on the back side to give it some strength. I filled it with resin, stacked it, kept stacking it. Then on the front side, as you see, you can't see the crack anymore. Hit it with resin, sanded it down, put filler on it, glazed it, and then we're here to the primer.
All right, me and Sarah just got primer on the car. Mike's about to do a second coat on the fascia, get it ready for paint, and then we're going to do the black layer and that poppin' purple. Let us spray.
Did that blow your mind? That just happened.
Let me guide you to the purple rain. Purple rain. Purple rain. Purple rain. Purple rain. You know what I'm saying about me? Come on, raise your hand. Purple rain. Purple rain.
Now we're ready to race, baby. If you're not first, you're last.
I want to thank Roman and the students for doing an awesome job. This purple's popping. Now let's go race.